Understanding Artistic Rendition, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might come across in galleries, museums, or when discussing creative works, artistic rendition. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts, artistic and rendition. Artistic relates to art or artists. It's about expressing oneself through creative skills and imagination. Rendition refers to a particular way of interpreting or performing something. When we combine these two words, artistic rendition refers to a creative and personal interpretation or expression of an idea, theme, or work. To make things clearer, let's look at some examples. 1. Paintings and sculptures. An artist's interpretation of a landscape or historical event can be considered an artistic rendition. Each brushstroke or sculpted detail represents the artist's unique perspective and style. 2. Music and performance. When a musician performs a cover of a song, adding their own style and emotion, that's an artistic rendition. Similarly, an actor's portrayal of a character in a play or movie is their rendition of that role. 3. Literature and translation. Translating a poem or novel from one language to another, while maintaining the original's essence and beauty, is also an artistic rendition. The translator uses their skill to recreate the work in a new language. Understanding the concept of artistic rendition helps us appreciate the diversity and creativity in art. It reminds us that there are countless ways to interpret and express ideas, allowing for a rich tapestry of cultural and personal expression. Recognizing an artistic rendition encourages open-mindedness and respect for others' perspectives and creativity. And that wraps up our journey into the world of artistic rendition. We hope this video has illuminated this fascinating concept and inspired you to see the creative interpretations around you in a new light. Whether it's in a gallery, a concert, or the pages of a book, artistic renditions enrich our world with diversity and beauty. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English language learning content. See you in the next video.